up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. This video, I got a new upgrade, a mod, whatever you want to call it. I ordered the rear diffuser and the 5-inch carbon tips. I got 4-inch on my car now. I got the Flowmaster on 4-inch tips, but I upgraded to the 5-inch tip. But I'm waiting on the diffuser to get here now. I go pick it up Friday, today Tuesday. I get back with y'all and I go get it. Alright, y'all. Today Friday. I told y'all my diffuser come today. I just got out of work. I look a little rough though, man. I just got out of work. I gotta get my haircut today too though. Got a lot going on today. But I'm on my way to fit in right now to go pick up my diffuser though. So when I get there, I'll let y'all know. I'll show y'all. Oh yeah, man. Then another thing, my carbon exhaust tips, they pushed them back sadly. They were coming today too, but now they pushed them back to Monday, the 29th. So I gotta wait till then. They're gonna be a separate video anyway, cause I gotta take that to the exhaust shop. But I told y'all I'm gonna install something for y'all myself though. So the diffuser, I'm gonna put this on myself right here though. Then well, I got a lot going on. I got a lot of videos finna come out. I'm going to Atlanta tomorrow for my cousin's football game. I gotta make a video right there, like a little vlog, short vlog for y'all. More content. Then I gotta give y'all a video about like how when I first bought my car. It looked in there like this. I gotta do all that. I got a lot on the way, man. Y'all just be on the lookout. But yeah, my exhaust tips, they're gonna be a separate video. You know, some right here. I got y'all though. Just like, subscribe, and cut the bell on, man, so y'all can get notified every time I drop a video though. I'm gonna fit it. You know y'all hate when car get in front of y'all driving slow and shit, man. Can't do too much on Boulevard though, I get a ticket. Fit it right there. Hate this turn right here. You barely can see the car coming because of what's it called? I just wired my car now. Hey, this is who I'm on the date. Fuck with him. Y'all tune in. Man, where no big up right here. Get back with y'all. I got you. Oh. You are.
Started here.
You are. Goddamn, I ain't know the goddamn bot was taller than me. Shit. I should have known though. That bit kind of long though. Be bad fit in my own back seat. I know what I gotta do. Hold on, y'all. I do all this, just put it up in here, man. Alright, good to go now. I get back with y'all when I get ready to install. Alright, I was out. I'm out here today. I'm finna go and install it. Show y'all how it look though. Pull that place out. God damn. I won't fail, y'all. Golly. Here you go right here though. The person that had it for me, they got it. Let me show y'all. They got a zip tie. I guess they broke the pins or something like that. I'm gonna have to cut them off or burn them off. One of them. I gotta see because they real tight though. And I bought a new pin. About 6 pins. But I'm gonna get back to y'all when I take them old diffuser off. I'm still taking the pin with the zip ties out. I only took one hole out. Oh yeah. The SRT Jeep over there too. He always be out here. I never heard pull off on none of that though. But yeah, I'm still taking these out, man. I only got this out. Hard to get out. Once I get these out, then I'm gonna set the camera and pull it off. See, y'all know how to pull this out there. Hey then.
My little kid.
That was easy, y'all.
Yeah.
And it was easy though.
You wanna put that on and do it again?
Nah.
Oh yeah.
I knew. Got her out here chilling. She wanna sit pretty under the shade and jump. I'm finna put my pins in now. I told y'all I got y'all, man. I told y'all I was gonna install something for y'all. And y'all gotta subscribe to me now and like this video. Told y'all I got y'all. Let me put these pins in though. I'm gonna get back with y'all though. I had to go to AutoZone right quick and get some smaller push pins for like the end pieces right here. Cause the other one was too big. They go in the middle. Yeah, everything done now. Alright, I'm done now. See how it look. Now I'm just waiting on my 5-inch tilt now, cause them tilt look a little small. Them 4-inch though, I think. Well, yeah, they 4-inch flow mouse. But I'm waiting on the 5-inch now. Then they black, so it look way better. I get with y'all for when I put the 5-inch tips on, make a new video. Yeah, y'all like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. I'm gone.